What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video we're going to talk about Polybunny. Alright guys, if you guys are new to the channel, three things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in the description below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. Alright guys, I love Polybunny, and in fact I like Pancake Bunny originally, but they launched on Polygon now. If you guys were not aware, they launched about 5 days ago, and they had a pretty cool way to launch it. I'm gonna go ahead and explain it to you now. But the reason why we use Polybunny, I'll show you in a comparison, maybe 2 minutes or in a minute, if you guys want to zoom forward. But I need to explain a couple of things on Polybunny. So this is how they distributed their tokens. All you had to do was stake 1 ETH during the pre-launch window, and you'd receive a bonus of 750 Polybunny. That is game changer, dude. You'll get your ETH back and 750 Polybunny for basically delegating 1 ETH or donating 1 ETH in the pre-launch window. So basically, you provided 1 ETH on the Pancake Bunny's Polygon fork. The Pancake Bunny meant 750 bunny or Polybunny for the user, and it uses 0.5 ETH and 250 Polybunny to create a QuickSwap LP token. And it'll automatically begin farming your tokens for you. So in order to finally get all of your tokens back, stake pre-launch Polybunny ETH LP and Polybunny tokens locked up for 90 days. Basically, they're locked up for the next 90 days, which was like 5 days ago. So like 3 months from now, all the tokens will finally be unlocked. But you guys can see they understand and care about the tokenomics, so they had a slow release. Here's the initial APR for Polybunny. It's 400% for the Polybunny and ETH, and the APR for the Polybunny staking pool is 800%. So these did change a bit. Like now this is only 234, and obviously the Polybunny ETH went way higher, but then again, no, it really didn't, because look at the APR, guys. Remember, what do we look at? APRs or APYs? No, it's APRs. So the APR is 327%. So that's something to keep in mind as well. If you guys are ever looking for certain rates or what they should be, make sure you guys look at APR, because APY is what it is compounded, and those rates are never going to always be the same. So keep that in mind. Let me go ahead and show you guys why I like Polybunny. First off is they have this Zap feature. They were the very first one that I noticed integrate this back like 3-4 months ago when they had Pancake Bunny. And what's so cool about this is you can zap any tokens that you want, and you can turn them automatically into LP tokens for you. So it's convenient, easy to use, and it's a one-click button. So you don't have to go around running around buying different tokens, going to different LP pools, going to QuickSwap and saying, oh, okay, I'll deposit this, this, and this, and do all this junk. No, instead it's just like snap. All you got to do is zap in, put in Matic, get your LP tokens, boom, done, go to the pool, deposit. So now you're asking yourself, okay, that's cool and all, Johnny, but why would I use Polybunny over something like AutoFarm or Beefy Finance? I mean, look, if we look at the ETH Aave pool, it's only 31.69%. That's doo-doo squirts. And then if you look at it, I'm only getting 17.06% on the LP token. Yeah, bro, I feel you. I know. You go over to QuickSwap and it's 25%. And then you're like, well, okay, I guess it is a little more with Pancake Bunny, but it's not as more with LP. I don't want this trash token. Well, you can always dump the token if you want, or you can stake it and earn more. So theoretically, you're earning more by staking into this pool. So that's something to keep in mind as well. And they don't have deposit and withdrawal fees, obviously up to a time. So if you're withdrawing before 3 days, you are going to have a 0.5% withdrawal fee. But other than that, there is no deposit or withdrawal fee. Why is that important? Well, Beefy Finance, sure, they're going to pay you more. They're going to pay you 36.11%. So the APR is 15% and the trading APR is 15.75. So they're going to be paying you a little more, but expand the vault, guys. You got a 0.1% withdrawal fee. Well, that's trash, man. So if I get like $100 in profit, they're going to take straight off the top. Well, $100 is it's peanuts, but basically they're going to be taking off 0.1% of my $100. So they're going to be taking 10 cents off it. But I understand it's small with $100, but then you move it to $1 million or $100,000, then it starts getting a little bit bigger. Same thing with Auto Farm. You're going to have the 34.14%, but you have the entrance fee. So straight up front, you're going to be making that deposit and losing a cut of your cheddar. Me personally, I like this entrance fee a little bit better than I would like the withdrawal fee, because at the end of the day, they're going to be taking more from you. But again, guys, it's all about the time you're looking to stay in this pool. Because what if these APYs are not always going to be the same? What if they change? What if you want to get out sooner? That's why these withdrawal and deposit fees hurt you. Because who knows? What if like 3 days from now, these APYs are zero, and then you're like, what the snap? I just want to take this out. This is trash. Or if there's a smart contract error and you're like, oh, dude, they're having issues with it. I'm actually losing money. And yes, guys, that is true. I was on Auto Farm before, and they had an issue with the vault. They didn't factor in the deposit fees that were upgraded on a Pancake Swap vault, where if you withdrew and redeposited within a certain time frame, you would eat a 0.1% withdrawal fee. They didn't factor it in. So they were auto compounding the vault and constantly paying withdrawal fees, and you were actually losing money when you were in the vault. So it would be in your best interest to withdraw, and you had to eat that fee, that 0.1% fee. So now with Pancake Bunny, there is no entrance or withdrawal fee, obviously, up until a time. So that's why I like using Pancake Bunny or Poly Bunny. I'll leave links in the description below as well so you guys can get to these websites. But now you guys understand my case that I have for Poly Bunny. Even though it is a lower APR, that's okay. I understand why it is. And in order to deposit, you assume you already get the LP tokens. You hit approve the LP token you're looking to deposit. I'm going to do the Aave ETH one. Guys, you don't have to do this one. In fact, just do a different one because you'll hurt my rewards. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I just do this one because I already had this LP token over at QuickSwap. I was like, hey, I might as well take it to Poly Bunny and have it auto compound for me so I don't have to keep going back and forth. And that's what you're paying for. You're paying for someone to auto compound this junk for you so you don't have to go back and do it. I mean, it's really annoying to withdraw, or not withdraw, but go claim on QuickSwap, then deposit your tokens that you get on QuickSwap into the QuickSwap reward pool, auto compound those, and then check every single day. It's like trash. Then you got to pay gas fees for doing it. I mean, Polygon gas fees are nothing, but still, the concept of just going back and forth, the time is the most valuable asset you have. So now that you guys are watching this, let me go ahead and show you guys a couple of things you guys need to be aware of. First off is obviously this 0.5% withdrawal fee. You don't want to pay that. So if you're depositing into this pool, make sure you have time management and schedule accordingly. So don't be like, bro, I'm going to be like doing the risky and just throw it in and ape it in here and hoping for the best. No, I wouldn't do that. If you're doing something like that, you may have to withdraw or have an emergency withdrawal and eat a 0.5% withdrawal fee. Next is this number. This 17.06% is what you're going to be earning in LP tokens. So they're going to be paying you out in LP tokens and increasing your total deposit. And the other portion is your Bunny token. You can claim this at any time, and when you claim your Bunny tokens, you can either dump them or you can restake them and earn more Bunny tokens. It's entirely up to you what you guys want to do. But on Poly Bunny, I don't see the pool where you can earn like Matic tokens. Like on Pancake Bunny, you can deposit Poly Bunny to earn some Wrap BNB. So that was a little cool. Maybe they'll bring in another pool. But again, guys, this is a bit early. They don't have a lot of TVL on here, so time will tell. We'll see what happens. If you guys want to learn more about the tokenomics, you guys can check it out here. I'll leave links in the description below as well for that. So that's my case for Poly Bunny versus Auto Farm and Beefy Finance. Yes, they are lower by about 3%, but they're higher than QuickSwap and they don't have deposit and withdrawal fees. But again, if you want to choose it, you have to factor in time preference. The longer you're staying in, the more that something like an Auto Farm or a Beefy Finance will work out. Beefy Finance may be a little bit different because you have that withdrawal fee. But the deposit fee is interesting because you pay that up front, and if you're just leaving it in for a long time, then great. But again, guys, things change, vaults change, so you'll have to probably redeposit and re-withdrawal and do all that junk. That's why I like Poly Bunny. I don't like paying deposit fees and withdrawal fees. That's just me, because it just, in my opinion, doesn't make sense to do it unless it does make sense. You get me? Here's a quick overview of the chart so you guys can see this. But basically, again, guys, this is a newer token. And guys, that's really it on Poly Bunny. If you guys enjoyed this video, 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in the description below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, you can scroll through these pools, see what's going on with them. You can also get a little more on your stable coins as well. Let's go ahead and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 21 verses 18. The wicked become a ransom for the righteous, and the unfaithful for the upright. So I guess what this means is, well, the wicked become a ransom, so they become like a bounty for the righteous. So I guess it's just like a sacrifice, or like, hey, if you're righteous, the wicked will bow down to you. I don't know. But if you read it, it says the wicked become a ransom, or like a means of payment, or like a reward. That's what ransom means, for the righteous, and the unfaithful for the upright. So it's a bit of confusing verse, but if you guys have comments on it, what you guys think, leave it in the description below or in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Leroux, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bum bum. Alright, so next off guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.